Well, adapting parts for the master cylinder here. I've already reamed this out to 9/16 with this reamer, and I didn't take a video before I did it, but the groove in here wasn't deep enough or wide enough to fit that. Uh-oh. Might be lost forever. Oh, okay. Okay. This groove originally was not deep enough. Let's see. The diameter inside here was too big to fit this cup seal. So I turned that down, and with that, and then I had to make it wider this way by like a 64th of an inch or something, so that this cup seal would fit in there. Then I also had already machined this piece to go on the front of here, there, to go on the front of there, so that allow me to slip this cup seal on there without tearing it up, going over that nub there. That's a technical term there. So, of course, lubed it all up, and then slid it over that taper and right on in there. So there's the master cylinder for the other side, and so I'll have to try that out and see if it works. Of course, I still want to buy those new ones. So there you go, another short little video with talking and all that. So there you go. God bless, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and do all that liking stuff and everything everybody says to do. Okay, thank you very much, and God bless.